Today, I've got a freezer tour for you, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Pamela and I like to share deliciously easy plant-based recipes. So if those are the types of videos that you like, be sure to click that little red subscribe button down below along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today, I've actually got a freezer tour for you. This has been requested by some of my subscribers, so I'm going to show you what is in my freezer. And this is actually my deep freezer out in my garage. So that explains the bare drywall behind me and these strange noises. That is actually my garage door. It's a very windy day today. We have gale force wind warnings. But I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what's in my freezer. Okay, so I'm going to try to make this quick because it is very cold. It's the middle of winter. But this is what I've got in my freezer. We keep extra bags of edamame. So these are steamable, not steamable in the bag, but we can steam them in bowls. So we've got those, just extra peas and carrots. I do have pie crust. This is not my food. I should have done a warning at the beginning of the video. But that is for like holidays when I bake for other people. Some more veggies, winter blend. These we use a lot. Pepper and onion blend. I use these like every week for making like fajita style stuff. This is for breakfast. Putting in my oatmeal. My kids, take this out. My kids love these. These are like the perfect little, they each eat one. So this is like for my kids. They love that. You guys have seen these in past videos, my favorite little Asian medley. These are for my husband. He has these like every morning. Ooh, my hand is getting cold. I just bought these. I haven't even tried them yet. They looked really interesting. Eggplant, peppers, and zucchini. They're like pre-grilled. And they're like pre-seasoned. So I'm going to try these. I'm going to put them in my air fryer actually and see how that goes. What else? This is a freezer bag. I love these things. So if you like are going somewhere pretty far, like we have Whole Foods up in, it's like, I don't know, 45 minutes away. And if I want to buy something frozen, I can just put it in here. And this actually keeps things frozen for like 8 hours. It's a little excessive, but anyways, I love that bag. It's PackIt brand. I got it on Amazon. I can put a link down below. This is an entire bag of Asian medley. So that's how much I'm obsessed with those. These are for my kids. They're breaded, so obviously not mine. Blueberries. And you can see I've got like 2 of them. I love blueberries. What else? Some Brussels sprouts, steamable. Here's another like stir fry. There's some peaches down in there. Ooh, my hand is getting so cold. I'm going to switch hands. Okay, here we go. I didn't really like this antioxidant blend. The vegetables were chopped like really small. So like, I don't know. I like mixed it in with some cauliflower rice and it was kind of okay, but I don't know. I didn't really like this. Tortillas, those are for my hubby. More tortillas for my hubby. Let's see. Butternut squash for making that Mediterranean baked. I changed it from sweet potato to butternut squash. These are my husband's. They are not vegan. More for my hubby. This is kale. I'm actually going to use this in the pumpkin and white bean stew out of the cookbook. I just keep the frozen steam in the bag because it's way easier. I feel like leafy greens just go bad so fast in my house. These are for my kids. I do like chicken and waffles for them when they're being good. diced avocados. They make it nice and easy to get my fat servings in. Let's see, riced cauliflower. Those come in super handy. More butternut squash. I've got some tofu, like backup tofu down there. More riced cauliflower, more tortillas for my husband. Some rolls for my husband. Oh, the meatless meatballs. We love those. Oh, let's see. More of those edamame packs. Some peas. Those are really good to put in like your cauliflower rice if you're just looking to like add some veggies. Pepper and onion blend. Pepper and onion blend. Asian medley. Some beets. Let's see what else. More of those like morning sausage things for my hubby. Some spinach, cut leaf spinach. That is for the chipotle soup out of the cookbook, the BLE cookbook. I'm going to make that later this week. More pork buns for my hubby. He really likes those. He's a chegan. He's a cheating vegan, I call him. Kale puffs. Those are for the kids. More pork buns. Southwest style quinoa. So this is a good, it's got corn, black beans, tomatoes, red quinoa. This is a good, like, quick protein, and it's got some veggies in it. A bunch of tortillas and stuff down there. Let's see. Put all this stuff back. I don't think there's anything different down here. I think this is all just kind of the same. Yeah, this is all just kind of the same stuff that I've been showing you. So that is it. Let's see. Sweet potatoes. I think they accidentally gave me sweet potatoes one time instead of butternut squash. So I'm probably gonna have to do like a breakfast or something with those. Chopped spinach, more avocado, just more stuff, more, more veggies. This is actually from the Dollar Tree. So they have actually frozen fruits and veggies, if you did not know that. Here's some frozen blackberries. Yeah, some frozen blackberries that we froze ourselves. Yeah, so this is like a freezer meal that we did ourselves. It's got rice in it, so it's not, this is like pre-BLE. So my husband has to eat that on his own. And then I actually have a second freezer. So here's our second freezer. We have a bunch of juices. So not BLE friendly. Those will have to be for the kids. I do have more edamame, more spinach. These are for the hubby and kids. Those are from the Dollar Tree. They're spring rolls. They are vegan. For the kids, for the hubby and kids, for the hubby and kids. This is the bulk thing of soy curls that we got. That is from a 50-pound bag of corn that we bought locally from a local farm. And we just vacuum sealed and froze it. So we have corn whenever we want. This is for our dog. This is her backup food. She eats raw. So if they ever like run out of her chicken at the store, we've got backup chicken for her. What else? There's just like more veggies. I buy bananas that are like overripe from the store, and then I freeze it, and then I have it for my breakfast in the morning. A bunch of Ezekiel bread, not my bread, for the kids. Apple butter for the kids. I think that's sugar-free apple butter actually, that I made. I can't remember what that is. I gotta throw that out. I think that's like chocolate something or other, not my food. More Ezekiel bread. More bananas. I got a lot of bananas the other day. That is aquafaba. I actually labeled these when I put them in here. So aquafaba, and then diced tomatoes are there. I just have to put away. So yeah, that's that freezer. And then I can show you our inside freezer too. So let me go inside and I'll show you that. Okay, so here is my really messy freezer inside. I've got my fruit for my morning breakfast. These are for the kids. They're just like, I wanted to try this brand of vegan chicken tenders. Asian medley, surprise, surprise. Some soybeans, some more soybean, more edamame. More fruit. What is this? I think that looks like, yeah, spinach. More fruit. More fruit. I see some Ezekiel bread down there. What is this? Peas. Got some more peas there. Ooh, this feels empty. Why is this even in here? This looks like it used to be artichoke hearts, but it feels empty. Like, I don't even know. I feel there's like one artichoke heart in here. Okay, I feel like this is the work of my husband. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that there for now. This looks like kale. Yeah, chopped kale. I've got some ice packs down there for lunches. Corn. I see some turmeric for like grating and putting in recipes. Let's see. Diced avocado. Spinach. So I'll buy these bags of spinach and I'll eat salads from them, right? And then fresh spinach. And then as soon as they start kind of like, I'm like, oh, those are going to go bad like tomorrow, the next day or whatever, I'll freeze them. And then I can use them in soups and stuff because we don't do smoothies. But yeah, so I've got like, this is like 2 separate bags, but I can use them in soups. Hubby's French fries. More edamame. My sister-in-law bought a bunch, and so that's why I've got so much right now. Some leftover cranberries from when I did that cranberry sauce. This is chopped celery. I'm actually going to use some of this right now. I'm going to make some pumpkin soup. More edamame. This is diced, like pre-diced jalapeno for recipes. I've got some corn. What's that, the corn bag? Just some, it's like a package that's already opened of the mixed veggies. So like the corn, beans, peas, and carrots. Another one that's already opened as well. What are these? This is some aquafaba that's frozen. Like, I think it's like 1/3 of a cup. What is this? Tomato sauce. Just a thing of tomato sauce. It's like a 1/2 cup. So if I'm making like pizza for the kids, I can just thaw this and use that. A couple pieces of bread that are probably freezer burnt and need to be thrown out. I did not clean out my freezer for you guys so you could see real life what's in my freezer. Ginger, so I can just like use a microplane and put some ginger and stuff. Kale. Okay, so that's the bottom. Put that all back. And then, whoops, ice on the floor. Doggy's gonna eat some ice. Bananas. I just got like a huge haul of bananas from my local store. The like overripe bananas. So that's why there's so many bananas in here. Let's see. I'm gonna put those off to the side. Here is a coconut milk. They're exactly 2 ounces each, so they're pre-measured for bright line eating. This is some apple butter that my friend's mom made and he gave to us. Tortillas for my husband. These are some vegan meatballs that I made and I did not really like them, so they are just sitting in there. Green onions, they're like spring onions, pre-chopped. Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. You know how you open a can and you only use like one? So I put one pepper and then some sauce in an ice cube, you know, in each little ice cube thing, and then let them freeze and then pop them out and put them in here. So there's like 1 pepper and some sauce in each little nugget, and then I can use it. Coconut milk. These are 1 ounce each, in case I just want one. And then basil pesto. These are before I did bright line eating, so these are not measured, but they are whole food plant-based, so there's no oil in these. I got some, oh, I can't see back here, butter. That's actually real butter from before we were vegan, for like baking and stuff. Oh, here's a calzone that I had made for my hubby's lunch that he hasn't taken yet. Some veggie crumbles back there. Tomato paste that I just gotta put in a bag somewhere. This looks like oh, this is lime. So just filled an ice cube tray with fresh lime juice and pops it out. And then I've got some lime juice if I need it. Peas, more peas. Crinkle cut fries for my hubby. Dessert for the kiddos. Waffles for the kiddos. More mixed veggies. This one's actually not open. Ezekiel bread, it looks like. Yeah. Or is this? I don't know. Some more fruit, like, I don't know, like probably like 2 bites of fruit. Oh, I forgot I had this in here. Parsley leaves. So they're like pre-frozen. And ice. So that is it. That is my entire freezer stash in all of my freezers. Let's see if I can get this closed again. Oh, okay, I got it closed. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click one of the videos you see right here, and I will see you next time.